Hello mga sangkay! Today, hello guys! Today we are going to the library. Where are we going? Library and playground. It's time for him. Every Thursday we went to library, guys. So today we're going to the library and I will let him play at the playground. Okay guys, see you later.
Time to get dressed and ready to go. But before you can go out, you gotta make sure you have all your clothes on so that you can keep warm. First the tights, they snatch at the toes and pull way up as far as your nose.
Only of snow. Other than rain, I'm sick of it. And it's not very nice. And the next week again, we're in the time machine. Too much. Okay, I think Baby Clifford and Big Clifford love that story again. They like hearing their stories. They do. Okay, so we need to all stand up because we're gonna sledding just right. Sit down. Put the boogie in. And down the hill we go. Whee! We got it? Alright, here we go again. Okay. A sledding we will go. A sledding we will go. We'll hold on tight and sit just right. Ready? We're going to get a good push off. And down the hill we go. Whee! Alright. Here we go. Alright, going up the hill. Skiddly we will go. A skiddly we will go. We'll stop when we get to the mountain top. Then down the mountain we'll go. Swoosh! Sleds. Okay. This is the kind of sled Miss Janet used to use when she was a little girl. That's the one that has the runners on it. You see the rope to hold in your hands. And you see where her feet are right there? There's a little bar. And you steer it. You know how Mom and Daddy press the gas and the brake in the car? The gas makes the car go. And the brake makes the car stop. And that's what that does too. Keep your feet on when you push real hard. You say, oh, please stop, and it doesn't stop. But you got it this way. Got it that way so you don't hit the trees. That's not good when you have an accident. She's having fun. That's my kind of step. Then some friends I know had a toboggan. It's a big flat sled. And it looks like a candy cane when you turn it this way. See, doesn't that look like a candy cane? And it has a rope, but you can't steer this one. It goes wherever it wants to go. Sometimes a friend can ride on the back. But you have to hold on. See, he's got his feet. Now where should his hands be? Moving around, because if he flies backwards, he's going to get hurt. Hold on tight. If you're riding with a friend, always put your arms around their tongue. Just trying to steer as best you can. And then we saw this kind of a sled. That's a round one. You know what that's it? Do you ever go swimming with your big tube in the water? A big round inner tube in the water? Yeah, that's a tube that you can take when you go sled riding. Some people use their swimming pool tubes. And that one just has little handles and it whirls all the way in circles, all the way down the hill, and you get dizzy when you get off. And ooh, yeah. And we even had friends who took Mama's cookie sheet. When you bake cookies for the oven, and you got a real big cookie sheet, they would sit on that. And that would be a sled. And I even had friends who used a garbage can lid. Hey, cardboard if we were all out of everything else. Yeah, we had fun. Did any of you moms ever go sleigh riding? A couple times? Okay.
We don't have snow in Philippines.
What's that?
We don't have snow in Philippines.
No.
No, it's hot in there.
I think this is a hard concept to teach kids, especially when they don't have any of these type of things. It's so much fun though. It's so much fun.
We tried the one in the mud.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Okay, one is here. Okay, let's see. We have a choice today. We can pick the inner tube, we go tube sledding, or we can pick the kind that's the toboggan, or we can pick the one like Miss Janet used to ride with the little runners on it, like Santa Claus's sled. Santa Claus has runners on there. You like Santa Claus? He has a sled with runners too, but I didn't have any reindeer for you, none. Yeah, I had to use my go power. Alright, we're gonna need some snow, aren't we? Oh, we're gonna need some snow. Okay. And what color color is snow? White. That's my big heel. Look at my big heel. Woo, we can start. Let's see. Let's make our heel go this way. I think that's a great way. Alright, let's see. Okay, we're going to paste first. We're going to do a little back rows today. Why am I using paper? Because I don't have real snow. Yeah. This is the best we can do in Mississippi. We never had snow in Yeah, I'm going to leave it up there in just a minute, okay? Alright, first I want to paste my sled on the snow hill. Okay, I'm coming down the big snow hill. Let me get my... Let's get out. Let's look at the sky outside today. Does it look blue like it's going to snow, you think? More like gray, isn't it? Those are rainy skies up there. But we're going to pretend and pretend for snow. Let's see, is my snow hill going to fit this way? Don't fit, does it? I'm going to have to turn it. Let's see. Does my snow hill fit that way? It does. It fits. Yeah. So I'm going to put it up here. Now I'm going to put snow behind my heel. Turn it over. Now, what do we need falling from the sky? We need the snow. Now, remember we made snowflakes where we had a roll. Remember we made snowflakes when we dipped the pencil into paint and we went up and. And remember we made snow with our crayon and we swirled it all around. And you know what we're going to do today for our snow? It did. It was blowing it away. That's right. Today we're going to make different kind of snow. It's a different fun way to make snow. We're going to take my little stickers. Snowflake. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Is that enough snow yet? How many is that? 4, 5. Any more? 6. 7 come. I still need more. 8. I think we need more. 9. What's after 9? 10. Oh, let's put a couple more snowflakes on there. 11. And one more over there makes 12. And we have little circle snowflakes too. Alright, you ready to make your sled on the hill? Alright. Alright, let's head over to the second. Alright, here it is. I'm hoping for just a little bit. This is going to go just a little bit. That way. Alright, get it. Lots of glue on there. Lots of glue. You went the wrong way. There you go, that's plenty. That's it. Don't roll it up too much.
That's cool. You put the corner too. Put some in the corner right there. All the way. There you go.
Look what you're doing, sister.
Right there.
Turn her head up here. Alright, we got
Hold it.
Yeah, we're turning over. Glue all over here so we can put it on the. There we go. There you go. There we go. Pat it in place.
Good job. Go put your name. Jane. No, because rolling. Other side. No, just there you go.
Wild plus green. Wild plus green.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Okay, get it on there. Secure it in. Push it into the corners. See right here? Hold on. Now pat, pat, pat. Okay, good. Good. Fantastic. All right. This is our stickers now. We're ready to put our snow on. All up in there. That's two. Can you count? Everybody, you don't put them all together. One. Okay. Let's let him try. Okay. David, see if you can pull one. Can you pull one, buddy? Can you pull one? Pull one for me. Grab it. Well, you did the whole thing. Not yet. Okay. All right. Oh, we got one. Did you get one? We got about three. Okay. What in the world is sticking to it? Oh, man. Those are nice stickers, though. Well, I mean, we had one like that with the shaving cream. Yeah. I didn't like touching it for toddler time. Like, I don't know about that. It takes a while. Hello, mga sangkay. We're out in the library. We are at the Chick-fil-A. It's Thursday, so it's Chick-fil-A day. See you inside, guys. Hey, Sangkay. We are here eating at the Chick-fil-A, and he got fruit cups. They only eating fruit cups, and I got this. See you. We're gonna eat first. Bye.